We've all seen those trucks outside of your home, in your neighbor's home, in water restoration. They're pulling out the dryers, they're pulling out the fans, and you're only gone for 15, 20 minutes, and you've got thousands of gallons of water inside of your home. We've got a solution to this problem. It does not have to happen to you. It's affordable, and we're going to talk about that today. Welcome back. I'm so excited to talk to you about this product. This product is, it's been around for several years. It's helping people save thousands and thousands of dollars and thousands of gallons of water. And I'm really excited to have this as part of my services that we offer. And what this does now is just really, it's like having a plumber in your house 24/7. And it takes about 3 to 4 hours to install in your home. And what it does is it communicates, it listens to your home's plumbing system, and it can tell the difference between a shower running and a toilet running, and it knows when these things are supposed to turn on and turn off. It has artificial intelligence. It'll text you on your phone and ask you if you want to turn the water off to your house from your phone remotely, or you can have it the message sent to your plumber. This thing's just amazing, and I can't believe how affordable it is, and every home should have this. In fact, many insurance companies now are recommending that this go into your home, or demanding it. And you might also see a reduction in your premiums if you decide to place this product into your home. We are really excited about this, and we're going to talk a little bit more in detail about how this works. So this is it. This is the magic right here. This product is just amazing. This is how it works. This product listens to your plumbing system. It can tell the difference between a toilet flushing and a shower running. In fact, it will send you alerts if, let's just say, your toilet starts running. There's no water damage, but it'll send you an alert, and it'll say, hey, I noticed your toilet is running. You get a text message, and would you like me to turn your water off? You can actually press a button on your phone through the app and turn your water off to your house, because you don't really know what's going on, but you know nobody's home and there's water moving through your house. So you could turn it on remotely as well. This is great for if you're in a B&B, or if you're just going to work, you know, you've got a B&B property and it's vacant half the time, but you don't want the water on, and that's when things happen, is when nobody's there. So this is designed to solve all these issues. You keep seeing all these trucks coming up and dealing with all this water damage, and that problem's been eliminated by this product, completely eliminated. And so it only takes about 3 to 4 hours, as I said, to put one of these in, and it's very, very affordable. It can send you a text message and alert you to even the smallest of leaks, even before they've done water damage. Most of the leak detectors out there will tell you there's water damage taking place. This one actually gets in front of the problem and tells you that, hey, we've got something leaking. It should just be a drippy shower. It'll tell you if you're filling your tub. It'll send you a message that, hey, your tub's been on too long. We've all forgotten to turn the water off to the tub. Well, this avoids all of that. Any type of leak whatsoever in your home and the water system will be detected by this. And it's just a great product. I love it. It's preventing all this water damage. You know, it's peace of mind. If you've got multiple properties, rental properties, or just a house that you live in, especially the house that you live in, that's, you know, your number one asset, and you want to protect that. Your time is valuable. This will save you all that time. It's less than most people's deductible to get this into your home. This is how excited I am. That's why I'm so excited about this product. I just absolutely love this product. So what's next? Really, the information's on the screen. Just call us. It's simple. We'll come out, we'll give you a price up front, we'll evaluate where this is going to go, show you what we have to do. Most of the time, your water main comes in, your shutoff that's where this goes, and we put that right in, usually on outside of the house or just inside the garage, typical placement, and we plug it in, set it and forget it. The app's on your phone. It couldn't be easier. I'm so excited about this product. So just give us a call. The information's here on the screen, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. Thank you.